Good morning, this is Joe Peterson with MarineMax at Clearwater today to show you our 2018 SPX 190. This is actually their fish and ski package. The boat does come equipped and packaged with the trailer. Very nicely done, all-purpose versatile boat. You have your blue bimini top. As you walk towards the back of the boat, you'll see the ski pylon. This will have the 150 4-stroke Mercury Verado engine. You also have the 4-step telescopic ladder. Nice grab hold rail coming into the transom of the boat. 12-volt plug-in also. Coming aboard the boat, you'll see some nice features as you walk down the curved stairway. Opens up the cockpit tremendously. You have a real nice clean dash area, digital depth finder, full gauges, the Rockford Fosgate stereo system, speakers in the cockpit, 2 speakers in the bow. There's your flip up front fishing seat that is removable. Also your trolling motor package with your plug into the port side of the bow. And very nice comfortable seating throughout the boat. Port side, passenger seat, then also the captain's chair with a flip up bolster. Bait well system located in the stern aft bench seat. Then also, because this boat is a outboard boat instead of a stern drive, you have another huge storage area on the flip up sun pad in the back of the boat. Very nicely done inside and outside. Again, this has been a very popular model for Sea Ray. Does a little bit of everything: water sports, skiing, cruising. Very nice running hull, powered up with a 150 4-stroke, enough to have for any type of ski days out there that you want to do. This again is Joe Peterson with MarineMax at Clearwater. Give us a call here if you'd like to sea test the boat or see the boat in person at our Clearwater store. 727-536-2628. Thank you.